In this video, I will show you the simple and effective way to change the background color of your project in Adobe Express. Whether you are creating a social media post, a professional flyer, or a digital invitation, the background sets the entire mood for your design. To get started, you need to ensure that you are not accidentally editing a specific element like a text box or a graphic. You can do this easily by clicking on any part of the blank space located outside of your canvas borders. This action tells the software that you want to adjust the global settings of the page rather than an individual layer. Once you have done that, keep your eyes on the Properties panel situated on the left side of your screen. You will see a small circular icon known as the background color swatch, which usually displays the current color of your canvas. Simply click on this circle to open up the palette menu and reveal your options. Now you have 3 great ways to find the perfect shade. If you're looking for something quick, you can choose from the preset swatches, which are predefined color blocks that look great in almost any layout. If you want something more unique, you can use the custom picker by moving the slider around the color field until you find the exact hue that catches your eye. However, if you are working on a professional brand project and need total accuracy, you can type a specific 6-digit hex code directly into the text field. This ensures that your background matches your brand guidelines or other design elements perfectly. As soon as you make your selection, the canvas updates instantly so you can see how it looks. It is a very intuitive process that lets you experiment with different aesthetics in just a few clicks. I hope this guide helps you create stunning designs with confidence. Thank you for watching and happy creating.